Hi friends, it's Liz here. Thank you for joining me today. I have an exciting video to share with you. I have the a share of unboxing for In Love Arts, which includes some stickers, some dies, and just some pieces that I'll be using in my work. I'll show you how I've used some of the pieces as well. So I've created a few little things. And if you stay tuned to the end of the video, there'll be a surprise. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so I think I'm going to start with the packs of envelopes. And I love these ones because they are a really nice size. And they have, they're already nicely embellished for you. So I really love it. And also I find that I get inspiration from, looking at finished pieces. So I think these are just such a nice addition to any, scrapbook project, etc. I'm going to show you how I've used some of the envelopes at the end. I'll be showing you how I've used the pieces, some of the pieces anyways, that I'm going to show you at the end as well. And so the sticker set it's 60 pieces, as you can see here, which is a lot. And there's just such a nice variety of stickers. And if you've been watching me, you know that I love using stickers in my work. So these are just such a great addition. And, you can see just from the images here what it includes, or at least some of the pieces that it includes. I think actually it's all of them there. So this is just so great. And I really love stickers. So that is one there. And then in addition to those, I also received these ones, which I am loving with most of my projects that I'm doing right now that are, anything to do with letters and writing. So I love that they have these, well, look, this one, they didn't even cut it up properly, but that's okay. There's just so many of them here. So you've got all the different colors, the golds, the reds, the silvers, and I really like these because it gives your work just a little bit of an extra touch to what you're doing. The next thing I want to show you is the stamp, which I haven't used yet, but I will. I'll be showing you, throughout, I guess, the next few videos. Whenever I make a project with one of these, I'll try and show you what I've done. So I like that it's got this finished piece already, and I can't quite tell where these are. So I'll have to wait and see what the stamping looks like. But I realized I should be showing you just measurements, because the screen makes things look a little bit different sometimes. And also when you're looking up things to get on the website, it's hard to know what you're getting, like the size. So this one, it's about 3.5. So the stamp itself, 3.5 inches. And then if I go down to the reindeer's face, it's about 3 inches. So that's basically how wide this stamp is. So this is just to give you ideas of that. Okay, so the next thing I want to show you, I have, right. So I'm going to start with this one that I haven't quite opened yet, but I'm looking forward to using for my holiday projects. So these are the little mittens, and I think they're just so cute because I've been wanting to use these in projects before, and I think it's just fabulous to to have them. You can see the different designs that they come in, so it's just going to be so nice to make, to use these up in a Christmas project for sure. Okay, so to start with my die cuts, I think that's all I have left here. So yeah, die cuts. I was trying to make some flowers. Okay, so these make flowers. I had no idea that that's what they did. Sorry, I shouldn't say that. I had no idea how I was going to make the flowers. So I had to, look around and figure out how to put these together. And I believe this is the one that it comes out with, but this is combining all three at once. So when I was just using each individual one, there wasn't a lot of, I didn't find a lot of flower, like to it, but I liked the combination of the three. So this is the three that make this flower. And then we have this one here. Now this one makes kind of like roses. So again, I should give you dimensions because like I said, I think it's important to kind of have an idea. So this one is about, I would say, oh, I'm going to go to the longest part. So it's about 3 inches, really. That's the biggest one. So you can kind of gauge how the other ones are going to be. And then it's also about 3 inches. So this is about 3 inches when it rolls out. And this one is probably the same, I'm going to guess. Yeah, so they're about 3 inches, the larger ones. And then you have the 2 smaller ones that go with them. And so this is for this flower here. You can just see how they come out differently. And then I stacked some of them together there so you can see the difference in how thick they end up looking. So I'm happy with these, but they are a lot of work. You have to roll every single piece. So I found that was a little bit of work. But again, it's a nice addition. Like if I wanted to, I'll show you how I've used some of the flowers anyways in a little project soon. So that's these ones. And then, so I'll pull these out and then I'll show you what I've done. And then I have a few more flowers, I think, to show you. So these are the dies for the set. And they remind me so much of the Tim Holtz dies. That's why I wanted to try them out. So I'll show you what I did with them. I think it turned out really nice. So I did like a floating pocket. And with my floating pocket, I added some of the flowers. So I haven't shown you these flowers yet. And I don't think I used all of them here. Actually, no, I didn't. No. Let me see where it is. I think I've misplaced one, but I'll try and find it. Because I'm trying to remember where this is. I think I'm missing one. All right, backtrack. I have, because I was playing around also in my journal to try and see what they would look like and how they would come out, kind of nice and flat. Okay, so yes, so these were it. So these flowers here, I'll show you, are these 3 here, which I have to go do the hunt down. So this set came together. It was like 3 of, everything, including these tiny little circle things, which I'm not even sure what I'll use them for. So these ones here are the ones you see here. So I've actually stacked those together to make that little floral arrangement. And these are tiny. So I'll show you. These are like just past like an inch of the largest one in circumference. So you can just see how, that's going to look. So that's for those. I have tried these ones also. For example, I have it right here, and I think this is the one with the hearts. What I like about it too is you can use the little hearts that pop out because they do look like little hearts within the petals. So I think that's really cute that you can use that. I'm just showing you what I've done in my journal. And then, yeah, I think that's it for those. So I just want to show you what those look like. And then of course I've got these flowers again. So these ones here are, I think this is like the medium sized one on that end. And then the roses again, or I think they look like roses anyways. That's these ones here. So I've got the large size, the medium, and the small, I believe. Like for these ones, I think I've got all 3 there. And of course, these ones here are the ones that I was telling you about that look like the Tim Holtz, to me anyways. So what I did is I wanted to make like a floating pocket that I could send to someone. And because it's a floral theme, I thought I would add my giant tag. And I have a printable in my shop that has 3 tags with similar designs. But look, I recently printed them out in tiny, and I think they look so adorable. So that's what I love about digital. So you can make them, large, small, etc. But I think this would be so cute to send to someone. Like a floating pocket, like a little, even it would make like even a cute birthday kind of pocket. You can tuck in like your little, birthday wish, etc. in there. And I like how these ones have come out. As you can see them all with the little floral pot. This is from my porch prints. And of course I just left the back as is. Sorry, silk ribbon is so messy, but I just love how it looks. Okay, so that was my first project that I did with this. And then I'm going to show you the next one. Just move these aside. I really, really liked this. I wanted to try it just to see how it came out. Now, I think I lost the bow. Before I show you, I'll show you the measurements for this one. It's about 4 inches by 3 inches. Okay, that's how big this one is. And this is what I did with it. Isn't that adorable? So what I did is, of course, you've got the cutout of the dress, and of course I was using again the my porch prints sewing theme. For this one I added a nice large sewing theme tag. So this, to me, because I made this digital as you know, a patchwork of fabric, I think it's just perfect for the sewing theme. So I just cut my digital into a tag and then backed it with coffee stain paper, and I left a little pocket so I can tuck more things in when I'm sending things out to you know, to pen pals or Happy Mail and stuff. And you know, you don't have to send anything so fancy like just a huge pack, just something nice that you've made, and you know, that will make them happy when they get it. And then the back I just did the little pocket, and again just, you know, added a little lace to the lace holder. Is that what they're called? I don't know. Ribbon holder, I guess. So anyway, so that's what I did with this. So I was so happy with that. And then the envelopes I wanted to show you. So as you remember, the envelopes I showed you, what I did here is I kind of made like a floating pocket with the envelope. And I love how it came out. So I've got a nice large pocket here. I used the bow from here. So it is from that same die cut. And then I used, you know, one of the die cuts for the tiny tag, which I think is so cute. It's just a leftover scrap piece that, you know, I decorated. And I saw this, I think it was Amity Bloom that did something similar. So anyway, so you can see the envelope there. It's got a nice pocket now here. And then the back, I just kind of put another pocket there. And I think it's just so cute. Like I said, if you're sending something to a friend, or, you know, just like a little something in the mail to someone, it's just nice to get something quick and easy. And then of course I made a nice pocket in there, and you can just, you know, journal or add more ephemera before you send it off. So I really enjoyed working with these pieces. It's always one of those things that, you know, you get things that you've purchased, or, you know, things that you want to try out, and then you're thinking, how am I going to use these pieces? What am I going to do? And I don't always like to make just journals for things. I like to make things that, you know, that are easy to do projects, but also look really fun when you finish with them. Okay, so if you stay to the end, I'm going to be giving these away to one of my subscribers. So don't forget to leave a comment below. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified when I have another video. Don't forget to like. I really appreciate that. It makes me know you like the videos I'm sharing with you. And leave a comment below letting me know where you're watching me from and what was your favorite piece that I shared with you today. So thank you so much for watching me. Don't forget to subscribe, like I said before, if you want to be entered in this giveaway. And if you are one of my subscribers that has sent me mail in the past or are sending me mail, you will be entered. I'll enter your name 3 times to this giveaway as well, just, you know, to say thank you for sending me some mail. And yeah, I might actually also include some of my digitals in this giveaway. So again, thank you for joining me. Don't forget to read the description box as well below. I may leave some additional details there. All right, thank you for joining me. I'll see you next time. Thanks so much for stopping by.